Okay, so today we're looking at scalar multiplication. So multiplication, we all know what that is. Scalar is just a number. Okay, so scalar multiplication is when we're multiplying a matrix by a number. So just breaking that down for you. So like this, your scalar number here is 5, okay, and you're multiplying the matrix, so it's right next to the 5. It's kind of like in algebra, when you've got a number next to a letter, it means multiply. Okay, so that means there's a multiply here. So the rule, you need to multiply every element by the scalar. Okay, elements meaning all the numbers inside the matrix, you need to multiply every one of those by the scalar, so whatever number's on the outside. So you'll see here, we've got 5 as the scalar multiplication, so you need to do 5 times 1, 5 times 2, so multiply everything inside by 5, and then you get your new matrix, so you're going to have 5, 10 and 10 and 0. Using the CAS, so there's some information here, but I also recommend Miss Savage's video that she's made for this, so you can have a look through that. And lastly, very short chapter today, just some practical uses, so why we use scalar multiplication. We can use it to increase or decrease a matrix by a set value or percentage. So this comes in handy for something like our financial arithmetic. So for example 1, we've got, due to the Christmas period, a gymnasium noted a 50% decrease in the number of people enrolled in its courses. So this is their normal matrix at the gym. So for bodybuilding, they usually have about 70 men enrolled in their course. Or you could, add them up. So for aerobics, they have 70 people enrolled for that. Or you've got 60 women apply for fitness. Or you could go across and go, well, there's 10, 50 and 60, what's that? 120 women enroll in their courses. So remembering from last lessons how we can read a matrix, but this is saying that we need to decrease it by 50%. Okay, so 50% is equal to 0.5. So we need to put the 0.5 in front of the matrix, and then you need to multiply everything inside by 0.5, okay, which is the equivalent of just halving all the numbers. So you should end up with this one, okay, all those numbers halved. You can also use 50% instead of converting it to a decimal if you like. You'll get the same outcome. Okay, and just another example. So you might have sales at a clothes store doubled for Friday and Saturday before Christmas. So obviously doubling means you multiply by 2. So you're going to multiply this matrix by 2. So for Christmas, the Friday and Saturday before, that's how many people are buying shirts, jeans and belts on the Friday and Saturday. Okay, so you should now be ready to do exercise 5D.